Welcome back to Nerd Chic. In this episode, guys, I'm going over an unboxing for the Pyle microphone. And this one came highly recommended online. So this is it. It's a really inexpensive entry-level microphone for your computer desktop, but it's definitely a broadcast. It's a high-end sampling rate, cardiopolar pattern, plugs directly into USB, podcast, gaming, and streaming. So I have other ones I use for my gaming, and I got this as a second life on Amazon Warehouse. And really, it wasn't a return. This one was messed up box, and sometimes you get that from Amazon Warehouse. So it's not been used, but it's, you know, back in action. So read it. If it says it's unused, if it's new and it's a broken box, I mean, that's a great investment. Usually there's not much missing in it. So back to the Pyle. So let's check this out. This is just an unboxing here on Nerd Chic Gaming. And I just want to share with you this awesome guy that I'm going to start using for my gaming on Nerd Chic. Look at this guy. So this is what comes in the box. This guy feels substantial, right? Really good stuff. Okay, so that's that. And here's the stand. It's got a screw there so that you can screw it in. You've got the mic holder. Here's the wires. And then right here is your windscreen so that as you're talking, it's screened. Good stuff. Look at this guy. And that's all that's in the box. Oops. I've also got the, I forgot about that. This guy right there. Pretty doggone awesome. So in essence, I don't need much of this stuff, but I might use this piece right here. But you can set it up where you've got this guy right here, and you can, you know, this number, and set them up like that. It's your tripod and everything. But for me, I'm gonna actually be using another mic, a boom mic I've got, because when I'm gaming, sometimes I'm standing up. But anyway, this is everything that's in the box. And you've got all of your drivers and everything you can get online. It tells you all about the different parts of it. There's the electric condenser, there's the mute button, gain control, headphone volume, headphone jack, USB, all that stuff built in, which is awesome. So you can literally put your headphones directly out of here and headphone jack in. Such a better piece if you've got gaming headphones. So that's really it. This is my Pyle PDMI USB 50 podcast gaming streaming microphone. That's what you're gonna hear me on from this point on Nerd Chic Gaming. So anyways, that's it, guys. Check it out and give us a thumbs up here. Let us know if you've got a favorite mic that you use. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and keep up with us. It's gonna be a lot of fun from here. Y'all take care.